Hello, I'm Alex from Instant Theatre Berlin, and today I'm going to show you a little tip to memorize your lines a little faster. Here we go. So for this video, we're going to work with a single line from a play by Richard Greenberg called Life Underwater that is included in this book called Plays in One Act. I warmly recommend it. A lot of great playwrights in it. Richard Greenberg, Life Underwater. We're gonna read the line, we're gonna memorize it, play it even out of context. It's just about memorization, okay? Here we go. Hey, you know what I was thinking last night? I was thinking that at the end of the summer, I'd either look for a job or go back to school. I think my father's getting a little sick of paying my rent. Or else I'll get married. I'll probably end up getting married. So if we have to memorize this line as fast as we can, there is a single tip that can help us. If you're planning on memorizing longer lines or entire scripts, then there are other things you can do. We're gonna cover them in a different video. But this tip is going to help you if, for example, you're going for an audition, you have a short text, and you have just a few minutes to look through it and learn it, okay? It will increase your ability to retain information. This is how it works. All my memorization techniques are based on one single concept, which is think about the text as if it were a map. You're starting from point A, you're going to point B, then point C, point D. There are as many points as you need, but it's a map. It is a map of concepts linked one to another. This is common to many memorization techniques. What I'm going to do here is just a little different, maybe a little basic, but it's gonna help you out. What you're gonna do is go back to that text and look at it concept by concept. So isolate every single concept and look at it separately. Here we go. The first concept in this text is hey, you know what I was thinking when last night? And what I did there already shows you a little of my WH question technique that I am hinting at in this video. You're gonna use WH questions in order to link, to help you recall the transitions between one concept and another. It works just like this. Hey, you know what I was thinking last night? This is the first concept. What? I was thinking. What? What were you thinking? I was thinking that when, at the end of the summer, what? I'd either look for a job or what? Or go back to school. Why? I think my father's getting a little sick of paying my rent. What otherwise? Or else I'll get married. What? I'll probably end up getting married. So as you see, each text can be interpreted as a collection of concepts, one after another, linked by logic. So once you know how to get on the way, you know the first sentence to start you off in this process, you'll be able to follow logically, concept after concept. So once again, I will post a link to the dialogue in the description below, but try to follow logically with me, okay? Very slowly, very slowly. You can definitely read the text once from top to bottom and then come back here and let's go through it together. Hey, you know what I was thinking last night? I was thinking that when, at the end of the summer, what? I'd either look for a job or go back to school. Why? I think my father's getting a little sick of paying my rent. What else? What otherwise? Or else I'll get married. I'll probably end up getting married. Once you have this type of linking between concepts, even if you miss something, if you forget some lines, which is very normal in theater, in live acting, you'll always be able to roughly know where you are and, catch up, save the situation. So if you have to learn a text very quickly, this is a very effective tip to memorize fast. A leads to B, leads to C, leads to D, and the connection is made by these WH questions. Okay? If you have any questions or observations or doubts, please post them in the comments and I will try to answer you in the comments or on a follow-up video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this content if you think it's useful, leave a comment, like, support, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a good day.